Don't be a people pleaser. Because if you are trying to please other people, you will lose yourself. Kasi meron tayong mga tropa, meron tayong mga circle na kasama lang natin sa bisyo, kasama lang natin sa negativity, kasama lang natin sa mga bagay na toxic. You have to cut all your friends related to the bad habits that you have. Ano ibig sabihin? Meron tayong mga kaibigan na kasama lang natin sa distraction. Meron tayong mga kaibigan na kasama lang natin pag may inuman. Meron tayong mga kaibigan na nakakasama lang natin pag may bisyo. Those are bad habits. And we are only connected to them through those habits. You have to cut all those relationships. Sir, mahal ko sir, kaibigan ko kahit na. If you want to your life, you have to do that. And even if you don't agree with me, it's okay. Choice mo naman kung ano yung gagawin mo. Wala namang masama Just understand that you are responsible for the results that you have and the results that you will have in the future.